So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's me again. For today's video is i-unbox ko lang yung dalawang package na dumating today. So first one is ito yung maliit. Let's see what's inside, but I already know what's in here. I've been trying to order it for a while, pero hindi ko lang siya in-order kasi hindi naman ako masyadong gumagawa nito. But then yung kids they really like it. So ayan, nag-order ako. Ano nga ba to? Let's see. The mystery inside. Ayan na siya. Oh, ito pala. Ganito pala yung design niya. So, ano to guys is, alright guys. So, ito na nga is, ito ay putuhan. Ang cute-cute niya. Tapos, may, ano pa siya? Thank you calendar on the back here. Ang cute. Ayan, calendar. And then, thank you letter. So, ang cute naman nito. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. So, 36 pieces lahat to guys. I forgot how much I paid for this one. But, it's 36 pieces all. Ayan, ang cute-cute niya, oh. Pakita ko yung isa. Ibuksan mo. Very small size siya. Oh, ayan. Putuhan na siya. Maliit lang. Ilang ano lang ba to? Walang nakalagay kung ilang ounces. But, ayan siya, oh. Tapos, red yung kulay. Lahat red. So, I choose one color only. I don't like the one with a lot of color. So, ayan. This is the first package, guys. I'm gonna put them aside here. Then, let's unbox the big one. It's not really big, but it's bigger. So, ito ay isa sa mga in-order ko for the kitchen. Naku, si Rico, oh, kinagat na yung boxes. Inunahan pa ako. So, ayan. Open na natin siya. Kasi dapat I have to put this before New Year. Pero, you know, I've been busy. So, hindi ko na siya nailagay. So, ngayon ko pa lang siya na-open. Wow! Let me show you guys. Do you have an idea what this is? Ayan siya. Ayan. So, ipapakita ko yung babasahin sa inyo so you guys know what this is. Ayan. Nako, they're actually very nice. Ayan siya guys. Oh, nakita nyo? Do you guys see that? Tapos, ayan. Hanging pots and pans siya. Diba? Ayan. Pot rack. Malaki pala siya guys. Ayan. Akala ko, hindi masyadong malaki. Pero it's very nice. Kasi malaki pala. Hindi ko na tinignan yung measurement. Tapos, ayan o. Ayan. Tapos, nandito yung ano niya, yung cord. Mabigat yung cord kasi metal. Ayan siya guys. O, ayan. Tapos, diba guys, bumili na rin ako ng mga hooks for this one. So, that one came, I unboxed it last time. Together with the dish organizer. Ayan. Ganito siya guys. Tapos ito rin, may kasama rin a few pieces of hooks na kasama dito. So, ayan. I was hoping na yung yung holder niya is same color as this one, but it's okay, I guess. So, that's okay. So, ayan. So, ito yung mapupunta doon sa ceiling or whatever it is or wherever it is that you guys are gonna hook it up to. So, yan yung part. Tapos, ito naman yung part na marami Ayan. Dali lang tayo. So, nako, nagkagulo na to. Ayan siya, guys. Dali. So, ito yung center niya ng holder. Tapos, ito naman is yung dito. So, mahaba din pala yung, ano niya, yung hook niya. So, ganyan. So, ganito guys yung magiging itsura niya. Tapos, ito naman is, can you see it? Oh, ganyan. Parang magiging ganyan siya. Tapos, nakaganyan. Ayan. And then, dali nga parang ano. Nagkabaliktad sila. Parang nagkabaliktad. Yeah, nagkabaliktad. So, well, I guess it's the same. Kahit parang, mahapayat yung ano. Baka ganyan. Siguro. Let me try. Let me try that way. Baka ganyan siya. Kasi mahaba yung isa. And then, okay, I think, ganyan ba? Basta, I'm gonna figure it out. Ayan siya, guys. Oh, ay, sorry. Natakpan na siya. So, ganyan yun siya, guys. Tapos, yung mga hooks man is, dito mo siya ilalagay. Tapos, pwede mo na siyang lagyan ng mga pots and pans. Pero, make sure, dapat pala hindi na bumili ng extra hooks kasi we have, plenty na, oh, ayan, 12 pala yung nakaano dito. So, 12 pala yung nakalagay na free hooks or yung kasama dito sa package. Ayun guys, so ganito lang siya. O, diba? Tapos, yung pots and pans is hindi na, ano sa under the counter. Nasa taas na siya. Ayan. Ganyan. So, it's very sturdy actually. O, ayan. Tapos, ilalagay mo lang siya dito. Ayan guys. Thank you so much. Ayan. So, ito na naman. Isa na naman episode ng ating unboxing. Unboxing ng ating kitchen stuff or tools na ganito, guys. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and do watch my videos.